Hey everybody, today we're going to demonstrate for you some of the cut capabilities of the Torchmate 5100 with the FlexCut 200 plasma cutter. First, a little background. The FlexCut 200 found on the Torchmate 5100 is a dual gas plasma cutter with a max capacity of 1.25 inches. The dual gas capability allows you to precisely control both the cutting gas and the shielding gas, which can help lead to less gas consumption and better cut quality. This allows you to have 3 different gas combinations between compressed air, oxygen, and nitrogen, depending on your material. In our demonstration, we will be cutting 3/8 stainless steel using compressed air as our cutting gas and nitrogen as our shielding gas. We will be getting our cut parameters directly from the cut charts, which will tell us exactly what consumables we'll be using with this gas mixture. Okay, let's get cutting. So, what do we see here? With the dual gas capability of the FlexCut 200, we're able to utilize the best gas combinations for each material. As you can see, this leads to exceptional cut quality on stainless. If you want to learn more, give us a call at 866-571-1066.